Hey there, Mailchimp enthusiasts and new users. Welcome back to our channel. And for video, we're going to discuss a common topic, which is removing header to Mailchimp. All right, so before we jump into the action, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures and keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. We appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this journey with all of you on board once again. Okay, removing header to Mailchimp. There's a lot of reason why you should do this into your email campaign because number one is if a subscriber has explicitly requested to unsubscribe or opt out from your email communication, should promptly remove them from your list, right? And Mailchimp provides an automated way for subscribers to unsubscribe, and it's important to honor this request to maintain your email marketing reputation. And before anything else, go to mailchimp.com, and once you're there, create an account. It's super fast and easy. And once you successfully created an account, go to this interface where it says campaign, all campaigns, and right here, just click edit. Okay. Or simply you go down to your create, design email, if the other step is not working, and then we'll go to design email. Okay, go to this part. See all of it? See this right here? When you check that there is a delete button, that's where you're going to do. Just click that delete button, and now your header is already removed. How cool is that, right? Very easy, nothing complex, not rocket science. Anyone can do it, right? So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more MailChimp tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.